Hello guys, my name is Tilak. I want to explain today present continuous. Its grammar. Uh, let's get started. Uh, for example, you doing now is present continuous, and it's action. And what, for example, I can ask my friend, "What are you doing?" It's action right now. It can be uh, maybe sitting at home. I want to explain that present continuous. Let's get started. Present continuous, we use this form. Am, wait. Am, is, and are. And I want to write here, and for example, we can say he is doing homework, and he he she, and it, we can say is. For example, she's doing, uh, I am doing, no, it's, uh, I don't know, it's for it's. And let's get started about uh, you, we, they, and it's all. We can say own. Uh, Here will are. For example, I want to make structure for our example. For example, uh, my I asked my friend, "What are you doing? What are you doing?" And it's question. I want to write it's question. 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 And maybe my friends can answer, I am doing my homework. My uh, my homework, or no, my homework, and it's answer. It's answer. Answer. It's answer. And we can make negative. Uh, for example, what's your name? And I thought maybe other name is like, no, I want to guess my friend name, and he asks, could you guess my name? I can answer maybe George, maybe uh, Jack, maybe Jay. He asks, or he answer, no, I am not Jack. For example, yeah, Jack. He say, I am Roger. Roger. it's negative. This negative, this, no, this question and this answer and this negative. I want to write here negative, negative, negative. Um, I wrote here negative question answer. It's our topic, and it's American boys or girls or men, women use this tense. Present continuous. It's so important uh, topic because maybe someone asks you what are you doing. It's you don't know this topic and you can't answer this topic. Uh, Guys, I finished my uh, job. Subscribe my channel, please. I want to accomplish um, 10,000 subscribe uh, this year, and subscribe please and press like. Appreciates. Thank you for watching.